So here we are, Robin here, and this is the ATV85B. This is their 8-inch with separated tweeters on top and their 700 watt package with, of course, their Bluetooth and their control box to put on the handlebars. This can go on everything from your ATV, maybe have it set up on the backside of your quad, or maybe even have it on a golf cart. I mean, this is awesome. Now remember, this is their more affordable package, which has all the big power, the big 8-inch, the big power amp inside, the actual tweeters on top. All of that is the same as their other two step-up models from this. So when you go to, let's say, the ATV85LEB, which is the square boxy version of it, it's going to have the same tweeters on top, the same 8-inch woofers on the front, plus the same amp inside, plus this controller. Now, if you go to their full light package, that's really where you're stepping up, but you're not stepping up on the speaker size or the tweeters, power, or controller. You're going to add the light bar to the front and multicolor lights inside the speaker. So if you're looking for pure power, as loud as you can get an ATV speaker just by buying one, this is where it starts. This is where it really happens. This is better than any of the ones that have the tweeters in the front. Think of this as if you had speakers in your car. This would be in the door panel. This would be up on the dash. The other ones have the tweeters in the center, and that's okay if you're far away from it. But of course, if you're seated and you're only 3 feet away from the unit, this, with the tweeters on top, is going to make a big difference when it comes to the sound up above. All the accessories for the actual controller are in the box. That comes, well, of course, in the box. And by the way, the box is inside another box when you get it. So you get a shipping crate or a shipping box. And then inside the shipping box, you get the nice retail box that this all comes in. And then inside of that, you're going to get this box. And inside of this box are all the accessories to mount this, including the actual control box. So keep your eyes open. When you get it home, you're looking for that. That's got all the accessories in it for you. Now, it does come with a 3.5 cable. That's going to plug right in here. So if you don't have Bluetooth or you're hardwiring this to an old iPod and you just want to leave it that way, for sure, it comes with that cable. It also comes with the lighter adapter, or sorry, politically correct, the accessory adapter, because, we don't use lighter adapters anymore. This is what we're talking about. This is your accessory adapter. So in case you don't have one on the actual ATV or whatever you're mounting it to, you can use this guy right here. Connect this through a fuse, because that's what it says right here. Must be connected to the fuse. Failure to wire correctly will void the warranty. So do a good job so this way you don't damage anything. But they give you this. This is included in the box. So you don't have to buy this or hardwire it or figure out something by cutting off the end. I mean, all those things would be bad. This is good. Now, to mount it down, they give you 4 straps in the box as well. Now, you can use these straps. A lot of people also like to add extra straps or bungees on it just to make it extra safe and secure. Some people even pad it on the bottom. I mean, there's all kinds of options. Once you have it, they give you everything you need. But if you want to make it even better, by all means, go ahead. Also, in the box, when you buy it, you're going to get the manual. Now, their manual is actually twofold. It's a surprise when you open it up. Yes, you get all the instructions on how to set it up, how to tighten it down. But when you open it from the backside, you get their cool Boss. You get the cool Boss Rebel poster. So, like I always say, if you mount the poster, you'll always have your instructions, right? And there you go. All that's in here. So let's take a listen to it and see how it sounds. We're going to use one of our condenser microphones, try and get it a little bit better than we did with the 95. So have a listen to it and see what it sounds like.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Catch me howling at the moon.
All right, so that was actually how the sound check was for that. That's Howling at the Moon. We are licensed to play that through Artlist. I am obligated to say that on these videos. So here we are. Once again, this is awesome. 88. If you want to, you can get an accessory kit for this, which is going to allow you to split the signal between two speakers. So if you want one in the back, one in the front, you could do that. Just look for the Y splitter for the actual Boss ATV85B. It's the same accessory kit for all of them, by the way. So you're going to find that one Y splitter, and that's going to do the job for you. So that pretty much wraps up this video. Do I recommend it? Absolutely. I think it's one of the better bangs for the buck when it comes to volume, performance, actual settings of the speakers. This works out really, really well. So I hope this video actually helped you out in your buying decision today. Maybe we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.